Xiaomi recently introduced its latest generations of Mi Mix called XiaomiMi Mix 4. The new technology is introduced to be the first camera with a screen called a camera under panel. The XiaomiMi Mix 4 is packed with the various features listed below: AMOLED display and 120Hz refresh rate. XiaomiMi Mix 4 is packed with a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen. The smartphone screen has FHD Plus resolutions, 120Hz refresh rate, and is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The smartphone has a slim and elegant body. It is also only weighing around 225 grams. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. The performance of the XiaomiMi Mix 4 is supported by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset combined with two memory options: 8GB RAM/128GB ROM and 12GB RAM/512GB ROM. This latest smartphone is also packed with 4500 mAh battery that support 120-watt quick charging using a cable. Xiaomi claims that the charging of the battery of this smartphone to full only takes about 15 minutes. As for wireless charging, it supports up to 50 watt and is claimed to be charged the battery to 100% in 28 minutes. Mi Mix 4 camera. This Mi Mix 4 is also packed with 3 rear cameras consisting of 108-megapixel main lens that uses the Samsung ISOCELL HMX sensor combined with OIS. Then a 50x 8-megapixel periscope lens and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree viewing angle. The front of the camera of Mi Mix 4 is one of the interesting innovations as the camera is under the panel. Thanks to the micro-diamond pixel technology and algorithms, the pixel size in front of the camera can be reduced while increasing its brightness.